Hello everyone, welcome to Coins Times to Watch. So we have another unboxing. I didn't know that it will arrive soon, but I just bought it like a few days, and see it is another old Bible actually. So I offered $20 on this one. It's an old one, and I was surprised because it was given to me. So yeah, all in all, I paid $27.50, $7.50 for the shipping, and $20 for the Bible itself. I don't know, maybe there's no one to take care of these old relics. That's why they just give it on that price. So I will take care of it. It's a big one too. See, here we go. Pardon my setup. It's just on my study table. So here we go. It's a Eyre Spottiswoode Bible, which is a well-known old Bible. Here we go. And of course it is from the United Kingdom. Here we go. It's a very old one. Let's see. Yeah, pardon my setup. It is, just on my table, my study table. Very old one. Look. It's a letter. See, Holy Bible. I can't even get the wool thing, the wool Bible itself. Yeah, I have just a very simple setup. See, right. Start from the. I'm not gonna show the address, but it is from the Reeves family. Here we go. It also have names from 1880s, October 29. So wow, it's like I think it's a family heirloom. See, Holy Bible, Old and New Testament, and it's from London, as we can see, and see the date. The date below is, here we go, 1882. So it is from 1882. Wow, very old relic. I don't know. I like old, old antique stuff. And who wouldn't want, a holy book? Just see, it's in pair, or I think it's in good condition inside. Oh, oh, oh! Wow, okay. Wow. So we have names and births and deaths. Okay, well, that's John Reeves, born February 8, 1844, and died 1907, age 63. It's like yeah, it is a family heirloom. Probably there's I mean, there's not much left of the family. Maybe I don't know, but yeah. So I mean, the last entry is what, 1927. So oh, it's even an 1822, born 1822. So wow, imagine imagine the age, or I mean, that era, grandfather, grandpapa, Isaac Reeves. Wow. Hmm. So it is a family heirloom, and most probably no one left in the family, and I'll take care of it. See, Spottiswoode. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins, stamps, and interesting antiques like this old Bible. So thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.